Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and this is my sister Krista.
Hi.
Today we're going to check and see whose IPSY GLAM bag is better. If you are not familiar with the IPSY GLAM bag, it's one of the subscriptions that IPSY puts out. It is $14.99 a month plus $14 a month plus $1.99 handling, and you should get 5 items worth at around $70 according to their information. So we're going to open our bags and see what's inside. Okay, first,
Gorgeous.
these are stinking cute. I get that they're a wrapper, but it feels more Valentine's Day than Christmas. But I think it looks like ribbon over a package, maybe. But it's
I know, it's adorable.
Red with a red bow over a pink satin bag, and it is the cutest.
Gold pull from IPSY.
So cute. And I didn't get a card at all. Oh, it's inside my bag. Okay.
Look inside the bag. It's peppermint striped. Ooh, Christmas.
And my bag does have product information. Does yours?
Yes, it does.
So the cards are kind of a grab bag. You should always get one, but they don't always have your product information and the sizes and the values inside. Lately they have been. Maybe they're being more consistent with it, so that would be nice if they are. Okay, so my first item is a perfume, and this is Catherine Malandrino Mystere. So it has pretty flowers on it. Let me see what it says. Okay, I had to go get my glasses to actually read the tiny print. So let me see. It says, this irresistible scent is giving demure meets cutesy with an opening notes of cranberry orange and a splash of apricot that bloom into deep rose, peony, and violet. It rounds out with warm dry down and creamy caramel with tonka, musk, cedarwood, and a cozy finish. Ooh, that's promising a lot. It is a little purse size. I'm going to see. I'm going to spray it in the little box just to be on the safe side. Ooh, I like it. What do you think?
Ooh, that's strong.
It is strong.
I hope it dries down more because that's
it says it dries down caramelly. That's a lot.
I don't like this one.
It has the thing that says, claim your free beauty gift at the Catherine Malandrino website and 50% off. So they come with a coupon. I'm not sure. My smeller's been off since I had COVID, so that's why I had her smell it. I can smell. I just can't smell accurately sometimes. So we might try this on another time and see. Well, she's shaking her head, which is kind of sad because she added it on.
So I added it on because the fragrant note sounded nice,
They
but
did sound nice.
Unless it dries down softer, this is way too strong.
Maybe I'll squirt it on my arm, and while we're doing the video, we'll see how it dries down. And then at the end, we'll give you a new review of it. Maybe it'll be a nicer one. So I'm going to put a little bit on and just see what it smells like by the end of the video. Okay, so first one for mine is perfume.
Okay, so the first thing out of my bag is Nip and Fab. So this is Vitamin C Fix Eye Cream at 10%, and the full size is $19.95.
And this one is full up to here, so it's kind of a big squeezy tube, but it's only a third of the way full. But it should, with eye cream, I can tell from what's in there, that's, 4 or 5 uses at least. So still pretty good try out of it.
It is.
Okay, my next thing out of my bag is...
Ooh, what is it?
Nina Body, and this is a body lotion. This says this is a glacial body lotion. This lightweight body lotion glides on effortlessly, soaking in fast, and leaves you feeling refreshed and super soft. This is going to be a deluxe sample. The full size is 100 mils at $40, and this one is 30 grams. So we have a little less than a third.
I'll smell it.
Around a third of the package.
You can't smell it through. I think it's sealed. Yeah, it's sealed, so we can't smell it. So
it doesn't say that it has a fragrance, but we have an ounce of it, so that's not a bad lotion size.
Not bad. And next, I have IPSY, and this is the lip gloss in Ruby, and it is a full size with a retail value of $14.
I'm not sure why, but this This glam bag didn't have a lot of good picks for the picks, so at least as far as for our opinion. Is that not going to come up?
Yeah.
Oh, there it goes.
And so this is the ruby color. And swatch it. Ooh, it's going to be like a gloss. So it's going to give you just a real thin sheer bit of red. It doesn't build up a lot, but it is nice and sheer like a gloss, a lipstick gloss. So that's nice. And I like the red color. I like to wear it with this just to be extra casual.
I got the same one. So one of my items, and this again was probably my pick. I think we did actually get the same one this month. Is the same gloss, and she just swatched it, so I won't swatch mine. But also a Pixie full size.
Exactly. And next we have. Let's see if we can get the glare off the. There we go. Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow nice. Yeah, that's what she said. Dewdrops. The full size is $35. This is a deluxe sample. So I like Glow Recipe stuff. I haven't tried this one yet, so I'm looking forward to trying this one and seeing how it works on my skin. Because I know I like the other ones I use. I like it.
Yep. And again, I got the same exact product. I don't know that we've ever had bags with exactly pretty much the same products throughout. Yeah. This is, I mean, how many duplicates do we have? Duplicates? We have just 2 duplicates?
Just 2.
Okay, so we just have 2 duplicates.
But still, I don't think we've had more than one, and sometimes none. So
yeah, so it is unusual because we both have very different profiles. So
yeah.
Anyway, what is your next one?
So that's big. Here I have a sponge.
Oh, is that what it is? The beauty blender?
And
I have a new phone, and I'm not sure yet how to make it not blow out all
this
the
is
stuff.
the LYS Beauty Confident Precision Makeup Sponge. And yes, she has to read her manual and figure out how to make the camera.
Yeah, it keeps changing the brightness, and that's really annoying.
Oh, wow. Look at this cute shape for this sponge.
I don't know that I've ever seen one that shape.
I know, but you can get a tight corner up in your eyes, up around your eyes with this thing. And then it's rounded and flat. So, hey, that's kind of cool.
Very nice. My next one is from BYOD. I really am not sure what this is. This is an eyeshadow wand in diamonds and pearls. So this is going to be a cream eyeshadow stick.
Nice.
I love cream eyeshadow stick. I've been using, I don't know if you guys watched my video I did on Temu finds that I have found, and I did one on a set of cream eyeshadow duos that I got, and I've been wearing, it's not today, but I've been wearing it a lot. This one is in a black tubie. And it almost looks like a champagne color, but that would be a really pretty brow highlighter or like the corners of your eyes to brighten it up.
Nice.
Very nice. So this would probably be a full size. $23.
Yep. That's not bad at all.
Not at all.
And I have one more item left, and it's from Eloise. And it says it is a blush and bloom, which this looks more...
That's a blush?
Yes, and it's taped shut. So
doesn't a whole lot look like a blush.
No, it looks more like a highlighter or bronzer color, but they're saying it's
It does say this is the full size for $30.
So that does not look like a blush.
It also doesn't look like a $30 makeup product.
Right. This is a deluxe sample.
Oh, okay.
You're missing the important ones at the very beginning.
Important words. Okay, so the full size is...
But, I mean, I guess...
5 grams.
If you just wanted to use it like a bronzer and just...
How big is
this? But I don't
one?
even think it's going to give much color.
No, I would use this as a highlighter, maybe.
See,
is it kind of rosy? Okay, it's a very, very light peach.
I mean, you're going to have to do a lot of building
It's
up,
pretty.
people. I mean, it's just you can't even hardly tell that I put anything on my hand. It's going to take a lot of building. You can kind of see the color on my finger, but yeah.
If you're not somebody who wants a ton of color or wants to use it for a highlighter or even a pretty eyeshadow, it's a powder. You can use it for pretty much anything.
Yeah.
This is 3 grams, and the full size is 5 grams. So this is almost a full size.
Yeah,
That's pretty good. Okay, so smell my perfume now. Do we like it any better? We don't like this one? All right, these will be getting new homes. Okay, so bag items. I got 2 full size. I got a full size lip and a full size cream eyeshadow stick. I got my watermelon glow recipe. I got an 1 ounce lotion deluxe sample and the perfume that we don't like. So this was my bag. What was your actual bag?
So I got the lipstick, I got the sponge, I got the glow recipe, the vitamin C, and the blush.
Okay, even though we don't like the perfume, I'm going to call mine the winner because I like the eyeshadow better than I like any of the stuff in her bag, and we both got the same lipstick. So the only real difference is maybe these two items.
Maybe.
But for, again, $14
nice.
plus $2 shipping, and you get this. Oh, we didn't show the inside of the bag is striped.
I did too.
Oh, you did? Krista showed you. Krista's better at showing you bags than me. But for $15, $16, all said and done, this is a great deal.
And y'all might like the perfume if you get it in your bag.
This is just not our.
It's just a bit too intense.
And I can't smell it much at all, so I have to rely on Krista for most of my smells at the moment. But if she says it's not awesome, it's not awesome. And so we'll find a new home for it. But yeah. I liked it. If you guys had different opinions over whose bags were better, please tell me in the comments. Tell me what you got. Did everybody get this one this month? I'm not sure. I'm curious to find out what everybody got. So let me know in the comments what you got that was different than ours.
Yeah. Cool.
Very fun bag. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and hit that notifications bell so you don't miss out on future videos. But for now, from Beth and Krista, have a great rest of your day.
Bye.
Bye.